Okay, hello there. So I want to show you the trade that got me about 18,000 plus with funded next. Okay, so what was the trade and how I sort of took advantage of the trade that led to this particular payout. So I believe this is going to be beneficial to you. So first, I'm going to show you the trade, but let me just show you the fact that funding is disbursed about 18,000 plus dollars, as you can see here. And what came into my Rise account was about 19,000. And the reason for that is simple. It took beyond 24 hours for them to make the disbursement. So according to their brand promise is if it takes more than 24 hours, you're going to add $1,000 to you, which is awesome and great. Okay, so they paid 19 plus as against paying 18 plus, which is really, really nice. So I'm going to show you the trade that led to this payout. Now here on in the Paruto Discord group, there will be a link somewhere if you want to join the Discord group. And you can see that. So this was the trade. So let me just show you this. So you can see here on the screen that this actually was 24,000 made on this trade. However, what had happened? However, I got paid 18,000, right? And the reason is because I was in drawdown. So this particular trade took me out of drawdown and took me to profit. Okay, and how this worked out, you can see it was about 4 positions here that I had open. I didn't take all of this, even though I had marked it and also shared, in the Discord, for students and all of that. But I took some of this, not all of that. I took about 4 of this. So you can see. So what I did was I wasn't exposing myself to unnecessary risk. So it wasn't as if I had all these positions and my risk was full, in all of these positions. No. So what I did was I took the first trade, and after the first trade, went into profit because I had an understanding it was a bearish market. Number one, structure was in alignment with the fact that price was going to sell into the zone. As you can see, even as at the time when I took profit, price hadn't was here to arrive. So I had understanding. So it was based on understanding that I was able to stack my positions. So after the first trade, I moved my stop loss to break even essentially, and then start another position. So I closed out my risk and then, increased, my position. So one single trade, but multiple positions. So what I did here was, so that was how I was able to start the trade. So it wasn't as if I had, all my positions, open. I was just stacking and increasing my risk. No, not really like that. So that was how this trade played out, and it was awesome. Okay. And this is just also something this is also a good place to just mention that if you're struggling with trading, I just want to let you know that it works, but you need to be able to understand that you need to be able to find the right mentorship and also have the right room to develop and to grow into understanding what you're doing in this business. Okay, and just to introduce you to ParutoCapital. So ParutoCapital, of course, is my own trading platform. Or academy where I teach people how to trade. So if you join ParutoCapital, you'll have access to the course, you have access to the platform, where I share daily forecasts, like I just shared here. So this was part of my daily, roundup. So I'll usually share the forecast, and at the end of the day, I'll share the roundup. So you're able to see, okay, what I was thinking, and then also what played out at the end of the day. And I don't just share wins, I share losses too. You can see here when losses play out, I also share the losses. So you get all of this benefits. So you get access to the course, you get access to the platform, you can ask questions. I'm always there to answer your questions for those who ask questions, and also provide you with guidance. So you see, some information in the description section, whether it's a promo, 10%, 5%, 25%, depending on when you're watching the video. I encourage you to take advantage of it. Yeah, to better your chances of becoming successful in trading. Okay, so if you take time to also peruse through the website, you see a lot of information on trades taken long time ago, and just charts there to just show you that this thing works at the end of the day. So hey, you have a lot of options. The full program, monthly, you can subscribe monthly, you can subscribe quarterly, you can subscribe yearly, or you can even choose to subscribe lifetime. I have some lifetime students, and it was a steal for them. So take advantage of the promos that are running, and yeah, we'll see on the inside. So I believe this is beneficial to you. I wish you all the best, and see you next time. Stay stuck in profit. Bye bye. Cheers.